and welcome to Markets at Money Control. I am Rakshita Madan and we'll wrap up the day's trading action for you on this bulletin. Let's look at the headlines first. Finance Minister tells CNBC TV18 that he has a plan in mind to revive economy but will reveal once ready. IndusInd Bank earnings meet estimates, asset quality remains stable. And in national news, High Court acquits parents in Arushi murder case. Time for the markets chat now. Joining me is Money Control editor Santosh Nair. Hi Santosh.
Hi Rakshita.
We saw a day of strong gains today. So what led the rally?
Basically what seems to be driving the market at this point is largely very strong global markets and also back home robust inflows into local mutual funds. This is causing the market to ignore most of the negative news on the economy front. In a short while from now, two more important macro parameters, macro indicators will be announced. Consumer inflation for September and industrial output for August. Now, in the past, the market has discounted most of the negative developments, so it remains to be seen if the market will react to the latest set of numbers, although inflation is expected to inch up slightly from August, and over the medium term that could be a bad news because it means that RBI will have so much less room to cut interest rates. The Nifty closed above the 10,000 mark today, in fact above a key near-term resistance level of 10,080. So now technical analysts feel that the next important resistance will be around 10,170, which was the previous all-time high for the index. A good move on the index too, on the Sensex too, it closed above 32,000. So all in all, the market appears to be looking fairly strong on the charts.
Right. And how are the global cues looking, Santosh?
So the focus has now shifted to the strong growth. You're seeing some pockets of worries, but overall the growth story appears to be pretty good, and that's what's driving sentiment out there, which is also why the market has been ignoring most of the geopolitical tensions playing out over the last few days on the Korean Peninsula. You had Asian markets ending mostly higher, and Europe too is trading higher at this point. The only worry as far as India goes is the firm trend in crude prices. So where crude prices to climb higher, that could be a big cause for worry, because it again means that inflation will be getting out of hand.
And which were the top gainers and losers?
So broad-based buying, you had both frontline stocks and second-line stocks rallying very strongly today. Reliance led the charge for index stocks. It gained about 4% ahead of its second quarter earnings announcement tomorrow. TCS will be reporting its numbers in a short while from now. The stock rose 2% ahead of the earnings announcement. HDFC Bank was the other big gainer among frontline shares. Among second-line shares, a lot of action. You had Man Infra rising about 20%. Now the company has won a 930 crore order from GAIL. Prakash Industries rose close to about 5%. The stock has secured coal linkages for the next 5 years. Bharti Infratel was up 5%. The stock has been climbing for the last couple of sessions following news in a business daily that KKR could be eyeing a stake in the company. Sun Pharma rallied about 2.5%. The company has got a clean chit from the US FDA for its Dadra unit. And you had Claris Life Science among the prominent losers. The stock fell 9%. The company is considering a dividend or a buyback. That's the news coming from Claris. And Cadila Healthcare rallying about 2% after Zydus got US FDA note for an antidepressant tablet.
Right. Thanks a lot for that, Santosh. With that, it's a wrap on this edition of Markets at Money Control. For more news, views and updates, stay logged on to moneycontrol.com.